Hi, this is Gayle with BERNINA of Naperville. It has been a really tiring day, and look, I can't even get up because I have a bulldog in my lap. Anyway, here are following videos on using the bernette and the BERNINA needle threaders. It's a short one, but I hope you learned something and I hope you enjoy it. All right, getting this needle threader, I'm going to get my thread under that little finger, push firmly on the needle threader. There's a little hook that comes from back through the front. It's got a little hook on the end. Now I have my thread. You can see that it's stuck. And now I'm going to let go with both hands, and I've threaded my needle threader. This is the exciting bit. I go into these little white lips and then bring my thread over and cut. I'm going to just gently pull my thread over here, give it just a little bit of slack like that. And now you know what's coming. I know what you want. You want to push this button, and that's what we're going to do. And now our needle's threaded. Well, I hope you enjoyed the videos, and don't forget to visit youtube.com/BERNINA of Naperville for more, and like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. If you want an alert every time we upload a new video like this, don't forget to click the bell. But in the meantime, stay healthy, be well, and use that needle threader. Right, Camilla?